your girl Odette Bonfen again once more. I hope you all are doing great, staying safe and amazing. So on today's video, actually today's video is a very fun video. It's an exciting video, and I am personally so excited to open. It's an unpackaging video, so I'm so excited to open this package. This package is actually from Huda Beauty. Yes, you heard me right. It is from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. I say shout it out there. Huda Beauty. It is from Huda Beauty, okay? So we will be unpackaging this makeups. They are actually makeups, and I have been longing for how long I don't know to have makeups from Huda Beauty, because I personally love Huda. Yes, I love Huda a lot. So I used to have one lipstick from Huda Beauty. Guys, I used to use that lipstick like, when you have your last salt and you just sprinkle it like you don't want it to finish. That is how I used to use that makeup. And I am so excited. I'm so happy. It's going to be a fun video, and I want all of you to join me in this fun. I want you to enjoy this video as long as I am going to enjoy it with you guys, okay? So here is it. Here is the package. This is actually from Century Express. I bought this actually from an online, I don't know, online shopping site. So they had discounts there, so they had a lot of brands. Huda, they had Victoria's Secret, they had I think I will leave the shopping site. I will leave the side of this where I bought this this package. I'm going to leave the site on the video below in the description box, okay? So that if in case you're interested to buy this, you can visit that site. Trust me guys, they have amazing discounts, okay? They have amazing discounts, you won't believe it. So I had to grab this very fast before the discount went out. So it came like this. You guys can see it. It came like this. Okay, so as you all can see, I haven't opened this yet. I haven't opened it. So I'm so excited guys to open this. This has been like, you won't imagine, it's been like a dream come true to me. Oh yes, it's been a dream come true to me. So we are going to be unboxing or opening this together, okay? Amazing guys, you won't believe that. See, I'm just, see, when I just tore this the back open, the packaging inside is like so nice, so amazing. Guys, we have something. Maybe I think it's a gift. It's a gift because it said it came with one gift, so I don't know what gift is that. Ooh. Oh wow, it's a MAC foundation. It came with this MAC foundation, and this foundation is actually a gift that came with the package. What color is this? This is SPF 15. It's like that. See, it's like that. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. It actually came with two gifts, and one fell down. Let me see. Oh, balloon. It came with a watch. With a watch. came with this watch. This, you know, the foundation and the watch, they are actually gifts. It came with the bag. Okay, let's keep that aside. The most important one, it's right here. Guys, who is happy? Because I am happy. I am so excited to open this stuff right here. And actually behind it, they've you know, they've given you like all the stuff that are inside here. So it says we have a mascara, there's a matte fusion pressed powder, there's a 3D highlighter palette. Ooh. There's an HD blusher palette. What? There's a nail polish. There's a master primer. And what else? Wait, I'm still coming. We still have more because it's 35 pieces, like 35 stuffs in this kit. Okay, there's a Faux filter foundation. Okay, there's a bend tint, like a bend tint, you know, for the lip, a bend tint. There's a lip pencil. Okay, there's a liquid matte lipstick. There's Galaxy shadow matte. There's matte lipstick. There's ink liner pen, waterproof. Then they have highlighter drops, and they have a beauty blender and eyelashes with an eye brush, guys. And this was so affordable. It was so see that? Like, wait, I need to take this a little bit up. Look at them. Can you believe that? Wow. Like all of this, like all of this. Start with the first one. This is one of the liquid lipsticks. I think I should do a video, or you know, a separate video on how I'm trying these makeups on, because this one is just an unboxing video. I'm just unboxing this stuff today. So I think I should do another video on trying and testing all this, you know, this makeups. So, oh guys, I can't just wait. It smells like chocolate. This smells like chocolate. Ooh. Oh, Huda beauty. I love Huda. Can you see that? Huda beauty. Guys, ladies, can you see? Can you see this? I mean, this is from Huda. And you know what is good about this? Each and every liquid liner comes with, you know, its own pencil, you know, like the lip pencil. Woo. Guys, I can't just, you know, even the pencil smells like chocolate. Actually, I'm not a fan of chocolate, okay, but you know, the way this stuff is smelling, Mamma mia. Lip contour pencil. You know, this is the color and this is the color of the pencil. They are both together like this. It's also with its pencil. You see, you can see. They are like this. They are both like this. They are both like this. It's its own pencil as well. That's its pencil. It's very nice. I love this color. Guys, I can't wait, you know, like I can't wait to start using it with you guys. Because you all know, like I put you all in everything I'm doing. So yeah, so that was it. It has 6 liquid liners with pencils, okay, like I have showed you all. So the next thing will be from this box, this cute little box. It's cute like Huda herself. Yes, please tell her that the box is cute like her. These are all matte lipsticks. Yeah, all matte lipsticks. Okay, see, look at that color, guys. Ooh. Oh, okay, this one, it has a smell of, like, you know, chalk. It smells like chalk. I don't know, it's like that. Okay, yeah, these are all matte lipsticks. Oh, you know, and everything is coming out so perfectly and well arranged. You know, sometimes when you get your makeups like this, they are all scattered, and you know, you at times you don't even pick anything from the makeup. Like, your makeup comes so bad. Before I continue, this is not a sponsored video, okay? This is not a sponsored video. I'm just happy for having this, you know, this stuff. So I said, let me do an unboxing of my stuff that I bought. So yeah, that's why I'm unboxing and showing you guys like each and every one of the makeup that is in here with you. Okay, look at that color. Oh, oof, oof, oof. Look at that color. Oh my. Oh, okay, I think this, they are all smelling like chalk. Yeah, so perfect. This one, it has 6 lipsticks also. 6 lipsticks. 6. Guys, look at, I'm curious to know, I know, look at this color. I'm really curious to know this color, you know. Faux filter, it's a faux filter. Faux filter. I beg, please, you people should not mind me. My, you know, sometimes my vocabulary, my English is I don't know. Let's forget about that. So see this one. This one right here is like a foundation. It's a faux filter. Okay, let's see how it looks inside. Let's see the color. Maui, do you want to say hi? Maui. Come, Maui, come. Come. So guys, we have a new, not actually new, we have a family member in this house, Maui. Maui don't want to show himself. Don't worry, I'm going to show who Maui is to you guys one day. So this color is not actually what I was expecting. It's not actually my color. It's too wide. So that's it. But it's okay, because maybe I'm just going to use it like a concealer. So that's how it came with that. Okay, see, these are, you know, the legit lashes, legit lashes mascara from Huda. You know this mascara? I don't know if you guys can see that properly. Yeah, that's it. This is a blusher palette. Okay, it's actually like that. It has 35 stuffs here, so please just stay with me, please bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. This is Huda's eyelashes. I actually like this one. It looks so natural. It's a 3D, it's so safe. So this is the 3D highlighter, this one. This packaging is so nice. Look at that. Look at that. You know, like mini makeups on it. Look at it. Look at it. It's an eyeliner. It's an eyeliner. And it's waterproof. Okay, this is a primer. It's a primer from Huda also. Look at that. Look at that. Foundation slash concealer. This one, it's just a mini. It's like that. So bouncy. Yeah. Okay. And last but not the least, guys, this right here, it's a nail polish. This right here, that's the last in our list today. This video was an exciting one. I am excited and you should be excited with me. Okay, so this was our unboxing video today, as I told you. So, and we are done today for this video. You saw all the stuff, and trust me, I will be coming back to try most of these stuffs here, okay, with you all. Like I said, we will be doing a special day for only the lipsticks. Okay, so that is it for this video today. Stay safe, please. Okay, stay safe out there, and bye. Thank you for watching. For those who have subscribed to my video, I say thank you. For those still coming, I still say thank you. For those who haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to share my videos also. Leave your comments on what you think about my videos or any particular video. Okay, and then that's it. We are done for today. Bye.